Do you want to be an artist, but never learned how to draw? Well, I've got good news for you. This is how you become a designer, online. First things first, let's get you hooked up with a job title. I made this quick chart to help you out. Okay, now that we got that out of the way, let's jump right into the hard skills you'll need to know. For this, I'll be showing you how to design a website. Alright, you've got a lot of design tools to pick from, but you should probably just use Figma. I like to start out by picking a font, so I made this montage to help show my process. Well, okay, that was harder than I thought it'd be, but whatever, we'll just use this Google font instead. This one's called Volcorn. I know it's not Helvetica, but whatever. If Helvetica came in a serif, we'd be using that. The next step is drawing shapes, and I'll just show you how to do this, no more montages. We'll start out by drawing a rectangle, giving it a giant drop shadow, and making it white. You should probably get used to that. It's going to be about 99% of your job from here on out. But we forgot one step. See this little button up here? You got to smack it. Alright, now a lesser designer might look at this and say, wow, we're done. But no, not us. I haven't even gotten to my construction paper people yet. For this, we're going to need Pablo Stanley's Humans library.
Follow me on the Twitters.
Okay, after playing around with that library for a bit, you should have something that roughly resembles this. And now another designer might look at this and say, wow, we're done. And yeah, they'd be right, we're done. Alright, that's it for the hard skills. Let's move on to some more miscellaneous tips. If you know how to read, you should read this. If you don't know how to read, just post this picture of Dieter Rams on Twitter. Now that you have all the knowledge, you'll need to get a job, so go ahead and follow a souvenir font on Twitter.
There are hundreds of jobs.
And if you're looking to stand out from the crowd, make a curated list of gradients like these other 50 people did. Super useful stuff. And most importantly, don't forget to get the word empathy tattooed across your forehead, so that even though your algorithm is racist, you, yourself, are not. This video is inspired by the Webflow video guy's hair.
Infinite possibility.
And subscribe to join my dribble like farm.